Is your SMT line caught between two things? ESD audits keep failing. IEC 61340. Automotive OEMs even threaten to disqualify you as a supplier. Meanwhile, the pick-in-place cadence runs 3 to 6 seconds. Mixed product PCB changeovers are slow and capacity stalls. The problem usually isn't the operator. It's the exposed metal and the handling step. See the real problem. Fast SMT cadence and strict ESD are two constraints landing at once. Linear handlers are rigid but inflexible. Change the PCB size and you retool the machine. And a linear handler's gripping point often exposes 100 to 500 volts of electrostatic potential. Exactly what fails your ESD audit, run after run. This line uses a 6-axis robot with an ESD coding plus a program library. The robot is grounded throughout. The gripper is anti-static, and across the whole handling cycle electrostatic voltage stays under 100 volts, meeting IEC 61340. The program library covers many PCB models, and changeover runs on vision auto recognition with no retooling. 3 cores. First, 4-layer protection, body grounding plus a gripper ESD coating plus station anti-static flooring plus ionizing air, keeping voltage under 100 volts the whole cycle. Second, positioning to plus-minus 0.1 millimeters, component placement grade, so downstream placement lines up. Third, model changeover from 30 to 60 minutes down to 5 to 10. Vision reads the barcode, calls the matching program, and auto-adjusts the gripper offset. Watch the demo. The robot's end vacuum grips the PCB. High-response 6-axis servos move the board between stations fast and place it precisely. Cadence locked to the SMT pick-in-place beat. Note no rigid metal gripping point and no static spark across the cycle. Board edges clean, no stress warp. By the numbers. Linear handler, single fixed size, often 100 to 500 volts, 4 to 8 second cycle, 30 to 60 minute changeover, 5 to 10,000 boards a day. Robot, 50 by 50 to 400 by 500 millimeter adaptive, under 100 volts meeting IC 61340, 3 to 6 second cycle, 5 to 10 minute changeover, 8 to 15,000 boards a day. This solution fits consumer electronics, appliance control boards, automotive ECUs, energy storage BMS, and charger control boards. One robot with quick change end effectors covers the 50 by 50 to 400 by 500 millimeter size range. No dedicated linear handler per product category. Running consumer plus automotive ECU plus energy storage boards on one line. Vision recognizes the model and changes over in under 10 minutes, releasing the capacity hidden in setup. The core of SMT handling automation isn't how fast you move the board. It's whether you hold electrostatic voltage under 100 volts to pass IEC 61340 at a 3 to 6 second cadence while changing models in 10 minutes. Your SMT line, does it pass the ESD audit? How long is a changeover?